Let's begin with the latest updates in the Kolkata rape and murder case in which one accused, the main accused, Sanjay Roy, has been taken into custody, and his former mother-in-law has spoken out, levelling big allegations against the accused, saying that Sanjay has duped people for money and that he was violent. He used to physically torture, harass and beat up his wife. She's also claimed that Sanjay was in jail previously, served a jail term previously for domestic abuse as well. So clearly this man had a history of violence against women, having beaten up his own wife previously. And this is an allegation levelled by his former mother-in-law. She's also alleged that he served jail time as a result, with charges of domestic abuse.
ऐसा था, शादी दे दिया आदमी तो बाद में खराब पता चला है। फिर पता चला जो लड़का ठीक नहीं है, ऐसा है वैसा है, मार धार करता है, गाली गुप्ता देता है, कोई इसको अच्छा नहीं बोलता। हुआ का आदमी लोग बोला आपका बेटी को मारता था? हाँ, बेटी को मारा, तब तो जाकर थाना में डायरी किया ना। उसको भी ढुका दिया था, जेल में पड़ा था। रात का गया, सुबह में 8-10 बजे छोड़ा है। कितना दिन? एक दिन था। हाँ, पैसा ऐसे जिससे तीसरे उधर में अपना काम करता था तो उधर बोलता था इतना पैसा दो तो काम लगाएगा, नहीं लगाएगा, ऐसी बोल के लेता रहा। जब काम लगाएगा नौकरी उकरी देगा बोल को। वही पुलिस में।
Bring in Rajesh Saha on this broadcast for more details. The main accused, the only person who's been arrested so far in this case, Rajesh, turns out has a history of crimes against women, has a history of being violent against women, and allegedly even beat up his own wife.
Exactly, Akshita. Now there are several allegations are coming out against Sanjay Roy, who is the prime accused and arrested by Kolkata police for his direct involvement into the case of murder and rape of a female doctor in RG Kar hospital in Kolkata. His mother-in-law is now saying Sanjay used to beat up her daughter, and she once upon a time mother-in-law of Sanjay appeared before Kaligat police station and lodged a written complaint against Sanjay against Sanjay for allegedly beating up her daughter. And although Sanjay used his influence and got released by Kaligat police station within a day, and another allegations are coming out that Sanjay used to dupe several people by taking money in pretext of providing jobs and providing government job in police services. And these several allegations are coming out on behalf of his in-law house. And right now he is in police custody. He is being interrogated by the officials of Kolkata police. And as per the sources information, we are getting to know that his DNA will be collected soon. During the medical legal test, his DNA will be collected by the experts and which will be sent to 0.6 Science Laboratory for examination, which can strengthen the evidence against Sanjay and which will be very important for police to prove.
You look at the nature of the crime in this particular case, it's horrifying. The details that have emerged based on the medical report after the examination of the victim's body, it talks about the kind of torture meted out to her, and clearly these aren't ordinary criminals. They're absolute monsters for the kind of crime that they've carried out. Thanks, Rajesh, for joining us with those details. Let's get you all the latest updates now on this story that sent shockwaves across the nation. A young doctor, 31 years old, being raped and brutally murdered inside her medical college, in the medical hospital. This is the RG Kar Medical Hospital, and it's triggered massive outrage. You've got students now out on the streets, the opposition also, all of them protesting against the authorities, demanding justice right now for the young trainee doctor. The Indian Medical Association has also issued a statement with a stern warning to authorities, to the Bengal authorities, saying that we give you 2 days to arrest all of the culprits, and if you fail to do that, we will hold a nationwide protest. Police, meanwhile, has arrested one accused so far, Sanjay Roy. Surprisingly and ironically enough, he is a volunteer who is actually assisting police. He's been sent now to 14 days of police custody. Amid this, politics is also peaking over the brutal crime as the BJP is demanding answers from the Mamata government, claiming that the state of Bengal is unsafe for women. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has also reacted to this crime, saying that there will be strict action against those involved.
सबसे पहली मांग ये है कि इस पूरे जो मामला है, जो वाकया है, उसकी एक CBI इंक्वायरी हो। ये जो डॉक्टर थी वो वहाँ पे पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कर रही थी, चेस्ट मेडिसिन विभाग में थी, ऑन ड्यूटी थी उस समय जिस समय उनके साथ ये दुखद घटना घटी है। और एक ड्यूटी डॉक्टर के साथ ऐसा होना ये पहली बार हमने सुना है। और इसमें ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं अस्पताल प्रशासन की लैप्सेस हैं जिसके वजह से ऐसा हुआ है। और हमें स्टेट गवर्नमेंट पर इस पूरे मामले को लेकर के बिल्कुल भी भरोसा नहीं है, क्योंकि जो इंटरनल खबरें आई हैं उनमें ये बातें आ रही हैं कि वो उन्हीं के पार्टी के कुछ एसोसिएटेड लोग हैं जो अक्यूज्ड हैं। तो इस
तृणमूल और सीपीएम की सेटिंग है, सेटिंग की राजनीति चल रही है। यहाँ तृणमूल के कहने से सीपीएम ने ये किया है, रोक रहा है हमें। कल भी पुलिस के तरफ से भी ये हुआ था, पुलिस कल हमारे नेताओं को जाने में रोक रही थी, लेकिन सीपीएम के मीनाक्षी देवी को ले जाने में पुलिस का पूरी तरीके से सहयोग रहा। ये पूरी सेटिंग है टीएमसी और सीपीएम की।
See, this proves when CPM is obstructing the road and our honorable central minister and our president has come, Dr. Shukanto Majumdar, police is asking us to take another road. Why? They can't lathi charge like they do it on BJP. What are they afraid of? That is the reason we say TMC and CPM are all together. CPM is the B team of TMC in West Bengal. And that is proved again here. The police is standing there and protecting them. And our central minister is standing over here and waiting for the clearings.
Seized work of junior doctors at government-run hospital here in Kolkata and across the states continues. And what we can see, the junior doctors continue to protest amidst the situation, the demand for the justice for the victim of the junior doctor who was allegedly, killed and inside this hospital premises. In this regards, one person, suspected prime accused, has been arrested by police, and which suggests that it was a brutal killing of a junior doctor. Now the rest of the of fraternity, they are staging protests demanding justice for the woman. And of course, but we can see that the security has been increased in and around RG Kar Medical College Hospital, one of the city's super specialty hospital. This is one of the very important state-run hospital also, where the security has been increased. We can see the police deployment over here since this morning, amidst the situation that anger mounting among particularly, the junior doctors. And apart from that, politics being unfolded over this, the opposition parties are targeting the ruling dispensation for the lawlessness inside the hospital. Thorough investigations are underway. One person has been arrested. Police investigation revealed that this man associated with Kolkata police had easy access to the hospital, and prima facie suggests that he was the prime culprit behind this crime, which is why he has been arrested with regards to this matter. With camera person Taposh Bahri, this is Ritik for India Today from Kolkata.
So this accused, Sanjay Roy, is currently in police custody. A DNA test could also be done to ensure enough evidence against him. His family has come out to support him. Speaking to India Today, the accused's mother claims that Sanjay has been forced to confess to the crime.
উপস্থিত ছিল সেই প্রমাণ পুলিশ পেয়েছে, এমনকি জেরার মুখে আপনার ছেলে স্বীকারও করেছে।
স্বীকার করেছে, কি করবে? যদি মানুষ প্রেসার দেবে তো সে নিজেই সারেন্ডার হয়েই যাবে। আমার তো বলার কিছু নয়, আমি তো এর মধ্যে নেই। সেখানে তো প্রচন্ড লোকজন থাকে তো, ডক্টররা থাকে, কারণ আমিও বেরিহাটটাই থেকে এসছি, আমি সারা রাত জেগে এসছি। আজ এই ঘটনাটা হয়ে গেছে, খুব খারাপ লাগছে। কেন হলো? কেউ গার্ড ছিল না?